Hey everyone, my name is Jason Husted and I'm a realtor in the Summerville area. If you're looking to buy or sell your home, I would love to speak with you about the process. Please reach out to me at 843-925-7600. Today, we're at 105 Oakbend Street. This is one of Nexton's most popular master down floor plans, and it's packed with upgrades in one of the top communities in the US. This home is conveniently located just minutes from I-26 and from shopping and dining at Nexton Square. Nestled in Brighton Park, many residents will take their golf carts to the community pool and the dog park, or even enjoy an evening stroll along one of the neighborhood's beautiful paths. This home's exquisite floor plan is perfect for everyday living. From its open layout to its cozy feel, this is the place you truly want to call home. There is even a bar included with this house. It's perfect for entertaining. If you're interested in this property, please reach out to me and my team of agents at 843-925-7600. We look forward to hearing from you.